This looks like a regular old AR-15, huh? You know, you're probably looking at it and going, you know, what's so different about this AR-15? Kind of looks like all the rest of them. Well, the difference between this one and most others is that this AR-15 is a 7.62 by 39 millimeter. Fires AK47 rounds. And so what we're going to do here in just a moment is test fire this thing. I got this years ago, but the problem with it is that when Colt made this, they never made high capacity magazines to go with it. And the only thing you could get was aftermarket, goofy looking magazines like this, where they took an AK47 magazine, chopped the top off it, and then went ahead and put some sort of a AR-15 top thing, I don't know, whatever this contraption is. And the problem with this is the steep angle, the steep turn in the magazine. It's just completely worthless. It just doesn't feed at all. And so I just recently acquired this magazine here. This one is made by C Products. Never fired this before. I'm not expecting much. Given the history of the magazines that have been made for this firearm, I'm fully expecting this thing is just going to go ahead and malfunction. But we're about to find out in just a second, so stand by. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that seemed to go very well. A lot better than what I expected. 30 round magazine did okay. And there is one more thing I want to show you here. And that's going to be some of these CCI shot shells. Just little, kind of like little miniature shotgun shells. So we're going to take a shot at these and see how they pattern. go take a look at the targets in just a second. Alrighty, there's the targets right there. The target on the right was the AR15 in 7.62 by 39 caliber, shooting low, but then again I was shooting pretty close to target, so at distance that would probably be right on target. And the target to your left, that's your CCI 45 ACP shot shells. I think I was a little bit far away for the these little tiny shot shells, but I'll tell you what, I fired these last week, and when it comes to milk jugs, they tore the shit out of the milk jugs. So for such a small cartridge, you're going to be able to do pest control with these, and maybe even take some small game, and I highly recommend them. I'm pretty much out of them now, but I'm definitely going to be getting more of these in the future. So anyway guys, I just thought you'd like to take a look at this, and there's one thing I always like to do is diversify. Have as many options in the toolbox as possible. Thanks for watching.